Namaste children. We will continue on the same chapter place value today. Look at this picture from number 1 to 9. 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the biggest one digit number. Look at the given numbers. From that number, tell me which is the biggest number or the greatest number. So, 9 is the greatest number. Same way, tell me the smallest or the least number. 1 is the smallest number. The next one is Indian place value chart. You already know that place value moves from right to left, that is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now tell me what is the greatest or the biggest place value? It is 10 lakh. Then what is the least or the smallest place value? It is 1. Today we will do sums based on exercise 1.2. The first one is fill in the table with place and place value. The first sum is 17,362. The second sum is 5,951 and the third sum is 9,50,242. What is the first step you have to do? First, write the place value on the top of each digit. The first sum is 17,362. The highlighted number is 6. So, the place is 10 and the place value is 60. And the next sum 5,951. Check the place value of highlighted 5. So, highlighted 5 is in the place of lakhs. So, the place value of 5 is 5 lakhs. The next sum is 9,50,242. The highlighted number is 0 and the place is 1000 and the place value is 0. The next example, write the digit that has the greatest place value in the number. Read and understand the question carefully. It is the greatest place value and what is the digit seen in that place? Number is 26,473. The greatest place value in this given number is 10,000. The digit in the greatest place value is 2. So, the answer is 2. We will do one more sum. The number is 9,12,345. So, write the place value on the top of each digit. The greatest place value in this sum is lakh. The digit in the greatest place value is 9. So, the answer is 9. Example 3. Write the digit that has the least place value in the given number. A sum is 56,273. So, the least place value is always 1. So, the digit in 1's place is 3. The answer is 3. Next sum 9,12,345. So, write the place value on the top of the digit. The least place value in the given number is 1. Digit in the least place value is 5. So, the answer is 5. Example 4. Write the greatest digit and its place value. The first sum we will take 26,473. As usual, write the place value on the top of each digit. The greatest digit in this given number is 7. The place value of the greatest digit is 10. We'll do one more sum. The number is 5,29,473. As usual, write the place value on the top of each number. The greatest digit in this given number is 9 and the place value of 9 is 1000. Example 5. Write the least digit and its place value. In our previous sum, we saw the greatest digit and its place value. Now we are going to see the least digit and its place value. Take the first number as 26,473. So first write the place value on the top of the digit. The least digit in this given number is 2 and the place value of the least digit is 10,000. One more sum, 5,96,173. So write the place value on the top of each digit. The least digit in this given number is 1. Can you see what is the place value of 1? Just check the place value on the top. It is 100. So the place value of 1 is 100. Recap. Today we saw the place and the place value. Next one is the digit that has greatest and least place value. And the third one is the greatest digit and the smallest digit and its place value. Can you understand the difference between the greatest digit and the greatest place value? Listen carefully. The number is 5,69,421. Here the greatest digit is 9 and the greatest place value is 5. The next one is least digit and the least place value. We'll take one more example, 5,61,423. Here the least digit is 1 and the least place value is 3. Is it clear now? Now testing time. Listen the video carefully, pause and write the answer. The first question is, write the place and place value of 7 in 8,92,726. The second question is, write the digit that has the greatest and least place value in the given numbers. The first sum is 4,309 and B sum is 8,90,563. The third sum, write the greatest digit and the least digit and its place value. First sum is 2,48,516. The next sum is 49,287. Check your answer. Answer for the first one is, place is 100, place value is 7 hundredths or 700. Second sum answer is A 4, 9. B sum is 6 and 3. The third sum, the greatest digit is 8 and its place value is 1000. The next one is the least digit. The least digit is 1 and its place value is 10. B sum, the greatest digit is 9 and its place value is 10,000. The least digit is 2 and its place value is 100. Thank you children. See you tomorrow in our next session.